Improve your sleep and the air quality in your home with this hack. Breathe in, breathe out, and welcome the greenest secret to better sleep: houseplants. But why houseplants, you ask? Well, air quality plays a huge role in our life. Let's start our journey with the snake plant, a champion oxygen producer, working around the clock, even at night when most plants are off duty. Snake plants prefer indirect light and need watering only when the soil is dry. They thrive in a well-draining potting mix. Next, we introduce the English ivy, an absolute powerhouse for absorbing toxins. It loves bright, indirect light and prefers a moist environment. Water the English ivy when the top inch of soil feels dry to touch. They do particularly well in well-aerated, humusy soil. Following the ivy, we have the aloe vera, a resilient plant known for its air-purifying properties. This plant likes a warm spot with plenty of light and requires watering only when the soil is completely dry. Then there's the lavender plant, a sleep-inducing superstar with its soothing scent. Lavenders require full sun exposure and well-draining soil to avoid root rot. Water them sparingly and ensure the soil is near dry between watering. Adding to these, we present the peace lily, a beautiful plant that removes toxins from the air. Peace lilies thrive in shady spots, prefer moist soil, and need their leaves wiped down occasionally to keep them looking fresh. Next up is the Boston fern, a natural humidifier that helps keep your home fresh. This plant loves a cool place with high humidity and indirect light. Keep its potting mix damp and mist its leaves regularly. Finally, we have the spider plant, a humble hero that battles benzene, formaldehyde, and other nasty pollutants. Spider plants are not fussy about light and can grow in a range of conditions, but they like moist soil. Water them well, but do not let the plant sit in water. Let's not forget the rubber plant, which removes toxins from the air. Rubber plants do well in bright, indirect light and need to be watered when the top inch of soil feels dry. Lastly, we bring you the golden pothos, a hardy plant that fights off common household toxins. This plant thrives in low light and likes its soil to dry out between watering. These green warriors will improve not only your indoor air quality, but also promise you a more restful sleep. They cater to various light conditions, watering preferences, and soil types, making them suitable for most indoor environments. So, do you have any of these greens at home? Or maybe some other plant friends with their unique care routines? Share your green thumb experiences in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth plant care content. It's time for a green upgrade, folks. Together we can cultivate happier homes and healthier sleep.